What's up, y'all? It's Drop. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Band Goods haul. If you don't know what Band Goods are, they are some very lit slippers. They look like some realistic type of shoes that you would see at the mall, but they're slippers. Perfect for dancing, perfect for lounging around, super comfortable. And I have a code for you guys. When you use code 2HOT20, you'll get 20% off of your order. So make sure you go down and head to the link in the description and get you some Band Goods. Let's get into the haul, guys. First up, we have the OG white and blue ones. Super comfortable. They tie up. These are functional strings. They got the blue ones, they got the orange ones, they got the red ones. Bottom is nice. These stay clean for very long too. I go to the studio in these and the bottom, like, they don't really tear easily, to be honest with y'all. They remind me of like mascot shoes. You could take a walk around the block in these and they'll be totally fine. Favorite color, blue. It represents me. Okay, next. So these are called the pink toes on the website. You see the band on the side. Functional strings, just like the OGs. The proceeds from these sales went to research for cancer, which I thought was amazing. Really cute, super pink. Goes with everything. Okay, next. These are the Yeezy Frozens. These were famous on TikTok and Instagram as the watermelons. These strings are also functional. The green is a nice little touch. I think these were actually the first pair that I got. Band 24/7. Next, it's getting hot in here, y'all. These are the WC3s. Super soft, super comfy, functional strings, just like I said. These are white and they've been white their whole life. They have not gotten dirty. High tops, really cute, really comfy. Next, these are the Yeezy Doves, the 350s. Really comfortable. Functional strings, like I said. Each and every other pair. I wear these a lot, keep my feet warm. Next, these are the rainbows. I was so excited when I got these. I was so excited when they sent me these. These are like, I want these shoes so bad. I want the real ones so bad, but like I feel so satisfied for having these ones at least, because like, look at them. They have, like, they really be paying attention to the details. They got the embroidered Band Goods, functional strings, all that. Okay, next, last but not least, these are my all-time favorites. The Chunky Dunks, the Ben & Jerry's. These things go so crazy. Look at that. Look at that. All right, y'all gotta get in and get close with these because the detail on this is crazy. They got the cow skin. They got the band. Look how it's dripping. That go crazy. Then they got their little stitching right here. The Band Goods. And the inside is tie-dye. Look at that. Look at that. Clean. These are my all-time favorite. Like, #1. Definitely. Easily. Functional. These things work. You can untie it, tie it, loose, tie it tight, whatever. Yo, these are my favorite. All right, y'all, that's it for the haul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me everywhere at DropDeadSuccess. And remember, it only takes one drop to make a wave. And I'll see you on the next video.